Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable SIM 1 or SIM 2 on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we're going to tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on SIM card manager. In here, tap on SIM 1 if you want to turn it off. Tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now it's here can't turn off the SIM card because you need at least one SIM turn on. So if you have another SIM card, then you can switch it off. If this is the only SIM that you have on your device, then you will not be able to turn it off unless you have two SIM cards activated on your device. And if there is a SIM 2 options, now in some country where your device support dual physical SIM plus another eSIM card, then you can turn off SIM number 2 as well. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.